Why, hello, Ramey family, both parents and students. I am Heather Bottoms, and I'm an eighth grade English teacher here at Ramey Junior High, one of three of us. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about what my grades will look like, what my classroom will look like, and what the essential questions will be for the year. Let's get started. The first thing I want to talk to you guys is about grades. First of all, we'll be having a weekly communication and collaboration grade, which is a daily grade of 2 points. This grade will illustrate how well and active your student or your child was in class. The other grades will all be skill based grades based on the skill that we're trying to practice in class. However, the titles might seem strange because we have been requested to write the exact assignment that was written in our Google Classroom. So even though the skill may not be portrayed, the fact that they are at 5 points apiece and being graded on a rubric is what illustrates the skill base. And I can always talk about what skill is being hit based on what assignment. I want to show everyone my Google Classroom. This is where all my assignments, instructions will be posted. I will do this in order to support any students that are out of my classroom, but there will be direct instruction going on during the days that I have students in class. Their activities and instructions will maybe post the day right after the day has been done, but there will always be a guided instruction to show kids what is going on for that day. They will be able to find this guided instruction in the classwork section of their tab. And they will be able to notice that it's their weekly lesson plans by the little icons on either side. Each one of their lessons will be titled under quarter one, week 3, and the date, whatever week it is, and the date. And then they will see their lesson plans with two little icons next to it. You click in here and you pull it up, and you will be able to see that my entire English team has the exact same lesson guide. So no matter if you're in Bottom's class, Mr. Berlanga Medina's class, or Mr. Oberski's class, they will still see the same lesson guide and have the same lessons. So you will see that we have our unit essential questions up at the top. Then we give them their weekly essential questions. Then there's a table of contents where they can actually go and visit each lesson based on the day that they're going. They will be able to see exactly what's going on for that day. The last thing I would like to go over are the essential questions English is working on as we practice our grammar skills throughout the year. This quarter, we're focusing on our common values and beliefs. Are they inherent? Who gets to decide what values matter? We're going to use that to work through sentence structure and to also work through our 8 parts of speech. Quarter 2, what is morality? How is right or wrong decided? We'll be looking at Animal Farm at that time and work on practicing claims and finding evidence for those claims. Unit 3, Quarter 3, how does art and language affect one's world? How does art imitate life or life imitate art? And then quarter 4, we have what is the relationship between decisions and consequences? How do my decisions affect consequences? And so that will be our whole year. I look forward to seeing your child in my classroom. I absolutely love teaching. I've been teaching for 17 years, and I look forward to another great year. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to look me up. My email is heather.bottoms@g.fayar.net. Again, heather.bottoms@g.fayar.net. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Bye.